Welcome to the T2PRO Extended Display Connection Guide channel. This video applies to your laptop must have a full-featured Type-C port. Please check below if your computer model has one. Method 1. Laptop status, must have two full-featured Type-C cables, Type-C cable *2. For first screen, please use Type-C *1 to connect. Plug the top of Type-C cable on the bottom of the first screen, and then it will working. Now, we use another Type-C cable to connect the second screen. Still, plug the cable in your laptop's C port. Plug the end of the Type-C cable on the bottom of your T2PRO. Method 2. For first screen, please use Type-C cable to connect it. If this Type-C not working because your laptop isn't full functional C port, please reach us. HDMI to mini HDMI. USB A to C cable. The function of USB-AC is to provide power to the screen. Complete all the settings and it will work.